Welcome to D-Wallet, your #1 decentralized wallet. In this video, you will learn how to download the D-Wallet extension on a browser, Opera. Without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Go to dwallet.io. Then click Extension on the right corner. Step 2. Once the file is downloaded, go to the zip file, then click Extract All. Step 3. Go to Manage Extensions on the browser. Then at your right corner, turn on the Developer mode. Once you have the Developer mode on, you will have an option to load Unpacked on the left corner of your screen. Step 4. Click Load Unpacked, then find your extracted D-Wallet file and double-click on it. Inside, you will see another D-Wallet folder. Single-click on it, then press Select Folder. Here's what it would look like. The D-Wallet will pop up on your browser extensions. You can click on it to start using the wallet. For more information, news, updates, and special offers, visit us at d-wallet.io.